Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin watch to Bluetooth. First, make sure your watch has sufficient battery and is turned on. Next, grab your smartphone or tablet and ensure its Bluetooth setting is activated. Finally, download the Garmin Connect application from your device's app store if you haven't already. This essential app facilitates the entire connection process, making it straightforward. Now let's get your Garmin watch ready for pairing. From your watch's main screen, press the designated button to access the main menu. Scroll down and carefully select the Settings option. Within the settings, look for Phone or Bluetooth and tap on it. Then choose Pair Phone or Pair New Device to make your watch discoverable to other devices. With your watch in pairing mode, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Tap the three horizontal lines or the More icon to open the main menu. Select Garmin Devices and then choose Add Device. The app will now search for your watch. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the connection. Once connected, you should see a confirmation message on both your watch and the Garmin Connect app. Look for the Bluetooth icon on your watch's display, indicating a successful link. The app will then begin to sync your data, which might take a few moments. Your Garmin watch is now fully connected via Bluetooth and ready to track your activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.